Ever pondered over why material controlling techniques hold such a paramount importance in cost and management accounting? Today, we unravel this mystery together. Dive into the world of cost and management accounting, where material controlling techniques are like the compass guiding a ship through stormy financial waters. These techniques help in maintaining a balance between inventory cost and material availability, ensuring smooth production processes and cost efficiency. First up, the order cycling method, a technique that involves a systematic review of items at fixed intervals. Just imagine a restaurant owner who checks his inventory every Monday to decide what needs to be ordered for the week. This method provides a regular and systematic control of all items regardless of their value. Next, we have the min-max method, a technique that sets a minimum and maximum level for each item in the inventory. Think of a grocery store stocking up on eggs. They decide to always have at least 5 dozen eggs, but never more than 20 dozen. This way, they ensure they never run out without overstocking and risking wastage. Moving on to the two-bin method, a simple yet effective technique. It involves using 2 bins for each item. When the first bin is empty, orders are placed and supplies are taken from the second bin in the meantime. Picture a mechanic's workshop where screws are stored in 2 bins. Once the first bin is empty, a new order is placed and screws from the second bin are used while waiting for the delivery. This method ensures there's always a safety stock available. The automatic order technique, as the name suggests, involves automated systems that place orders when inventory levels reach a certain point. For example, a bookshop might have a system that automatically orders more copies of a popular novel once the stock falls below 10 copies. This method minimizes the risk of human error and saves time. Finally, we have the ABC plan, a technique that categorizes items based on their value and importance. A items are high value, B items are moderate value, and C items are low value. A clothing retailer could categorize designer dresses as A items, regular dresses as B items, and accessories as C items. This method allows more focus and control over high-value items. In a nutshell, these material controlling techniques, the order cycling method, the min-max method, the two-bin method, the automatic order technique, and the ABC plan, each have their unique benefits and applications. From ensuring regular and systematic control, maintaining optimal inventory levels, providing a safety stock, minimizing human error, to prioritizing control based on value, these techniques are the guiding stars in the vast sky of cost and management accounting. So, the next time you think about cost and management accounting, remember these techniques that help navigate through the complex world of inventory control and cost efficiency. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of accounting.